Yeah, as you see over here, got the floor work going down. My man Mike is getting it in. See, take you back around and show you all back there is already done. I'll take you to room number one. As you see, all flooring is intact. Room number two. You know, there's junk around because we're working, but as you see, coming together. And this is the master. See how big it is? Yeah, baby. You see the flooring, everything intact. We got stuff around, like I said, because we're working, but you already know what's going down. You already know what it is. Dead on it, baby.